Are you maximizing your home's income potential? If you have an empty spare bedroom mother-in-law suites or duplex unit on the premises, the answer is likely no. You don't have to find a long-term tenant to earn income from your home's unused square footage. Apps like Airbnb, VRBO, and HomeAway let you rent out your home to business and leisure travelers on a nightly or weekly basis, depending on prevailing rents in your local market and your space's size. Amenities and privacy: you could earn anywhere from $40 or $50 to $500 or more per night. It's the ultimate passive income side hustle. Short-term rental platforms handle most of the thorny logistical considerations that keep regular homeowners from becoming landlords, including payment processing and security deposits. And after a string of highly public mishaps in their first few years, these platforms are increasingly safety conscious. So the likelihood is high you'll be able to verify the identity of every person who crashes at your place. Not every home is rental ready, of course. Before listing your place on sites like Airbnb and VRBO, consider these factors: stranger danger. Most importantly, you need to determine whether you and your family members are comfortable with welcoming strangers into your home. If you have a second unit with a separate entrance, this is less of a sticking point, but it still begs careful consideration. Local regulations: municipal governments are increasingly amenable to short-term rentals, but holdouts remain. Surprisingly, tourist towns are sometimes the most vehemently opposed. Keep abreast of regulations in your area, and if your city does allow short-term rentals, make sure you pay all applicable local and state hospitality taxes. Pets, dogs, and cats complicate short-term rental arrangements. It's hard to give a visitor free rein over your place when you're worried about them inadvertently letting Fido or Fluffy out when they come home in the middle of the night. At a minimum, you should disclose the fact that you have pets, lest an allergic tenant leaves a toxic review on your otherwise pristine online listing. Cleaning and damage. Online rental platforms let you charge cleaning fees so that you aren't financially on the hook for the full cost of a post-tenant professional cleaning. Most cover the cost of renter-caused damage too, provided you properly document and report it. But financial redress only goes so far. You still have to deal with the inevitable investment of time and energy to fix the damage or clean up the mess. Hands-on hosting. While you don't have to serve as your visitor's personal tour guide, you do have to be reachable and willing to help if a problem arises. If you're not willing to drop what you're doing or at least pick up your phone to help a tenant in need, short-term rental hosting might not be your best bet for at-home income. Do tell us by commenting how good you felt about earning money from your fashion